braf gallu croesawu pwyllgor Gemau'R Ynysoedd i Ynys heddiw. Mae i ddangos yn union beth sydd ganddo ni i gynnig. It's great to have an opportunity to show what we on Anglesey have to offer. We are determined that we can put on a great games here on the island in 2025.
Mae'n mynd yn gret hyd yn hyn, mae'r haul wedi dod allan rwan sydd yn helpu dipyn arno ni. Gathon ni bach o'r glaw bore yma, mae pawb i weld yn mwynhau, maen nhw'n mwynhau cael gweld y cyfleustera sydd gynno ni fan hyn ar yr Ynys.
There's three main issues. One, as you can imagine, is finance. Two, accommodation. And three, sports, not necessarily in that order. But you've got to be able to host the sports, and you've got to pick at least 12 sports from a list of 18. The accommodation, this is a major factor because if you take the last games in Gotland, you're talking about almost 2,500 competitors. And what has grown over in recent times is the number of spectators, media, VIPs, sports officials that come along with the competitors. So, you know, 2,500 competitors brings at least another 1,000 people, probably a few more.
Dyma'r golygfeydd a bob dim yn wych ma. Pawb yn barod i o bach o bwyd rwan cyn cael pnawn arall yn gweld gweddill yr Ynys.
We don't try and compete with the Commonwealth or the Olympics. I mean, if you take the island where I'm from, we're fortunate to have a team that can go to the Commonwealth Games, but 33 are going to Gold Coast in a couple of weeks. There'll be 250 competitors going to the next, NatWest Island Games, and in that respect, it gives everybody an opportunity. I think every school child can think, well, I have every chance of going to one of these events, and certainly when you host one on the island, as you can imagine, the enthusiasm and the sort of spirit, and people always say about what's the legacy of the games and want to get a little bit involved in finance and the economy or whatever, but the main thing is a feel-good factor, I always think, and it lasts for decades.